Number 1. A rectangle is drawn and then translated as shown in the diagram. Which statement is true? A. Two rectangles are congruent because all rectangles are congruent. Okay, we all know that not all rectangles are congruent, so we're going to go ahead and mark that out because that is not true. B. The two rectangles are congruent because not congruent because a translation changes side lengths. A translation is just a shift up, down, left, or right. The side lengths do not change. C. Two rectangles are not congruent because a translation changes angle measures. Again, that is not a true statement. It does not change. And then D. The two rectangles are congruent because a translation does not change the shape or size. This is true. A translation is a rigid motion, and what that means is the shape and size is preserved. The pre-image is going to be congruent to the image.